What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So it looks like the iPhone 11 or whatever they're going to call it is going to support a wireless PowerShare. So it looks like they're going to be catching up to the Huawei P20 in the Samsung Galaxy S10. So this is coming from Apple's supply chains, so it leaked out, and pretty much what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to charge your AirPods or you'll be able to charge your Apple Watch straight from your iPhone, like on the Galaxy S10. Unfortunately, there's still no talk about the iPhone having fast charging, which is pretty crazy, and I would love to see them actually switch to USB Type-C. That would be even better. Now, Apple does make a separate adapter that you can buy to, wirelessly charge your devices, but it costs extra money, about like 50 bucks more, I think. So definitely this is going to be a great feature for the iPhone 11. I don't know why Apple products are becoming so expensive and then lacking the features to justify the products. But hey, so what do you guys think? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.